everyone, thanks again for tuning in for another video where we talk about using the broker pocket option to do some trading. Again, if you are new to the channel and you're trying to figure out what's going on, take the time to watch all of the videos if you can, or some of them, to bring yourself up to speed and consider getting the ebooks. As I've said before, it's always great to see that people are grasping the information that I'm putting out each and every day. Now, today I will touch on a few things, share some tips, and then we'll get right into the next strategy. If you know the setups of the candles and you see conflicting indicators, you can still take that trade. Again, you have two indicators that might be conflicting. You say, well, I'm not going to go into that, but I see a double wick green. That's the best example I can give you. Okay, now on to the indicators. Many have asked, what exactly do the settings mean? Well, most people will do some type of technical analysis when they start off with their trading, and they have a particular setting that they would like their stochastic or their RSI to be on. The lines that you're seeing are simply showing the signal strength of that line. And so when you adjust it, whether you take the RSI and you move it from 14 to 5, or you want to adjust the stochastic, that's really for you to determine whether or not if that signal or that line is giving you the best accuracy when it comes to entering a trade. Use this resource here. I've pointed out to it many times before. This is an awesome website because obviously there's more to it. Use this website for any additional questions that you might have. Give it a good read. It is a wonderful resource when you're starting on the pocket option platform and getting into Forex trading, or just starting to learn about it. Okay guys, today we're going to be using a very popular indicator many day traders do use and swear by, which is the MACD. We're going to be using the default settings that has a fast period of 12, slow period of 26, and a signal period of 9. Okay, and the styles here are green and red for up and down for the histogram. I changed it to white, but it's normally green, but that's just my preference. Okay, and I also always like to have a moving average on here of 200. Oops. And I always make that bigger as well. Okay, so what's the idea? The idea is you need to pay attention to the dominant line of this white line right here. As you can see right there how my cursor is lined up, the white has crossed over and up. So that is an indication to take a buy. Okay, same thing here. It has crossed going down. Look at my cursor. It shows it's on a downward movement. That is an indication to take a sell. That's it. You can also use the momentum bars as well, where you can see this signal is strong and then it begins to get weaker. This also can give you an entry point, and it's also lined up where the two lines cross. This one's going down again for a sell. We've talked about this before. This is where you want to consider taking a trade, where the momentum begins to weaken. You can try to get in there on some entries. Okay, let's see how these trades play out.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now and somehow we knew that we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.